Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for my Nifty 50 page kit series, and I am using a May 2023 kit from the Scrap Room. It is based on Echo Park Let's Go Travel. So I've got a lot of this and we'll just see how it goes. It wasn't my favorite collection. I love Bright Brights. Oh, look at that. That's not a full-size piece, but it might work for my sketch. Interessante. So we're just gonna see how it goes. Like I said, I did not love this, but I can use it for another layout and we'll see how much we can get used. I already pulled some flare that I think will work, but we'll jump to that in a moment. So I've got day 18 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches series 15. Guys, I still have to do 14. Give me a minute. So I have this to do. It's from Francis West, and I will show you what it looks like blown up just a little bit. I've got this right here. So it looks like big piece of paper, and then we get to have a torn one perhaps pop down. That's why I was like, I wonder if it'll work with the paper I have. A couple of very long banner pieces. This sketch has 4 photos. I will have 1. And large embellishment clusters. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I will move my embellishments, which is a sticker sheet, chipboard. I've got another sticker sheet. Oh, and wordy bits. Awesome. So I'll definitely have a title, which is fabulous. I can move my sketch to the side. Just wanna see if anything is big enough, which I don't know if it is, to cover that. That isn't. Is this one? This one is, and I might have to use it on the green because, oh, you know what? I think we were walking on the city streets. This one should work. Will it work? Yes, awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a light tear with this. If I mess up and need more, then I'll just pop a little bit of paper behind it. So that's gonna work, and I don't think you guys really want to enjoy me going through all that. So I'm going to tear that. I'm gonna cut a couple of quite long banners. So they're gonna go from the top to about here. I'm gonna cut one with the green. We did not fly to this location. Oh, my photo. This was my youngest daughter and I in Traverse City, walking around, and you know, you kind of window shop and all that kind of thing. So we've got this. I could do black. Oh, the red has airplanes. The globe is not going in the right direction. All right, so we're going to use what we have, and it's going to be totally fine. All right, I'll map my photo about 3 bazillion times. We'll get that down. The flare I picked was this deep green one. Only one I'm going to be able to grab from this flare. It reads adventure because the green was correct. So I'll put this back. That can go back. And then I had some that look like cute little epoxy buttons. I've got a black and a light blue. So I figured those would work. I would get 3 on there, and I don't think any of these other colors are here. You know what? I might be able to sneak in this yellow. It's a little bright, but I might, well, yum, yum, yum. I like to do things in 3s. I will calm down. Okay, so let me get my homework done and I'll meet you right back here. All right, so I've got this piece on. Now in the sketch, the pennants were hanging down and there's only 2. I added 3 just because I like things in 3s. I've got to get some of this adhesive off though. I brought my adhesive down too low and it's being a problem. I've got this little adhesive thing from my friend Sam. Let me mess with that in a minute. It's like this little like rubber offer thing. Okay, let's see. So for a title, I've got this word travel, which is perfectly fine. And remember, I only have the 1 photo. So I get lots more room. So I can have an adventure word. I'm gonna take off this pop dot that's on the back because I just don't need it. So let's see. So I have that. Nice and chunky to have another word up there, and I'm probably going to bring something over here as well. So we did do a road trip, and this car is stinking cute. So I think I'll grab that. And that brings a nice amount of red over there. We did not bike, but we did have a road trip. I do like the idea of this globe. So if I have 3 nice pieces that have chipboard, that makes me happy. And then like over here, a cute little button would be appropriate, and then a flare there. So then I have my 3 flare, boom. So let's see. Let's go travel. I did a globe up there. Let's see. I can have another little piece there. And that might be it for now for these. I mean, we can check back in. So then on the sticker front, we have that car again, but I do not need it this time. I just saw a sticker I liked, and I'm going to go ahead and put some dimensional adhesive behind it. It's just an arrow, just because I like this kind of thing. And this is just a little bit on the wonk. So I know I'll use it for something. Don't know where it's going yet, but I do like it. Ooh, that tone on tone with the blue is quite nice. But I can also put it here and it'll show up a little bit. All right, collect moments, not things is kind of cute. Too big for that area. I don't know. Let's go travel. So I have the word travel there. I can repeat it with that little green guy. Let's see. Oh, we can do like these elements that are circular. We can put them repeating in these different clusters. So let's see. I'm looking for another circular one. You know, I'm going to go ahead and grab this globe, even though, I'm sorry, this, you know, earth, even though I have a globe up there. Explore it together. Travel, let's go. I already have let's go there. So I'm going to do let's go for this adventure piece. Let's have a little explore word. This cute little green word that reads memory can go there. And do I have, oh, and I have the word travel right there. Okay. So then we can have wanderlust. We can have happy day, like happy day. Now I do have these banner pieces right here. I think I'll run a big old banner piece across before I tack these pieces down. We've got this adorable little rolling suitcase that will obviously work. We can have a travel journal because it's adorable. Let's go travel together. Let's plan another trip. Adventure awaits. Explore together. All right, so I think these pieces are pretty good. What's on this sticker sheet? And remember, I'm going to grab, look at the woody. I can't. Oh, I have sunnies on. I can put some bright red, way different scale up there, but that would be really cute. And I think I'm going to cut out, from this piece here, this cute little suitcase, because that totally works as well. So I'll fussy cut that. So just because things are stickers doesn't mean that, you know, you can't use them exactly as you wish. I've got that there. I'm going to have that arrow go in there. I'm just looking and looking, and I'll build from there and it'll be fine. So let me get these pieces down, including this banner, which I will go ahead and put up here, and, you know, I'll pop it up on foam. So guys, give me a minute and I'll meet you back here. So I think I did a fairly decent job at bulking up these clusters with this collection. So before we go much further, let's see. I didn't end up using any of the words because there's so many wordy bits in these sticker sheets. Now I fussy cut this piece out. These little houses. One other thing I fussy cut out from the stickers. So that's awesome. That's great. It gives it just a little something, something. And I love that kind of thing. So I'll put this aside and these pieces aside. Guys, it's going to be so hard for me to use this collection again. We'll see how it goes. Oh, and we already talked together about which pieces I used from our chipboard. So that is awesome. Lots of pieces there. Let's see if there's anything that can be used, which is going to be iffy, from these pieces. Oh, I have to sneeze. Oh, no. Oh, and I did use that cute little banner piece up top. I thought that was fun. Make it great. Oh, look at that blue would have worked. I can do TC for Traverse City. Why not? We can use that. At least I'll feel like I used some goodies in here. TC is what we call Traverse City when you're from here. So I'll just pop that in there. Anything that gets something used, my friends. Oops, what slid? Something slid. You never know. So I don't need more wordy bits. Don't need seaside. No. Guys, one day, oh yes, one day this sheet will be killed. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put these pieces right there because we're done with them. Let's see. These pieces are a little tiny bit too pretty to work. Nope, nope, nope. I just always like to take a quick peek just to make sure. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that in recycling. This is a washi from another project. Okay, let's concentrate just on this piece. Now, do I have anything in here that would work? These are much deeper colors, so I might. I think I have some really deep red stars in here. Let's tiptoe through the tulips, shall we? A random heart. Like that navy piece right there would actually work. I'm going to just leave it there in case. You never know. And this deep red piece would work. Interesting. So I might be able to use much bigger pieces than what I actually planned. So I'm going to stop right there and try to bring those pieces in. I also have some of these pieces in wood that I can look at. So let me see. The gears, yeah, kind of. I already used arrows. I think I'll bring in 3 wonky hearts. So I can bring 1 somewhere to start connecting more of the pieces. 2, and then 3. I'll bring in 3 wonky wood hearts. I'm going to bring in 3 arrows, 3 wonky hearts, and then what else? I also have these as arrow pieces, so I could have a bunch of arrow pieces. So I'll bring in 3 of the white puffies for you, and then I'll finish up with just a few random enamel dots. So I'll show you this layout when I'm done. It'll just take a minute to pop a few more things on. All right, y'all, I actually was able to use up these little gems that I've had forever. So that's quite a win. Like for me, that was such a win. So I'm going to put that little container in there. I put on my puffy little arrows. So that was a nice little pop of white. The acrylic pieces went on. The flare went on. Guys, I'm so happy. So many things got used. It's fabulous. It's fun. It's all those good things. So I will have a few still shots to follow. And guys, I'm going to see you ever so soon. Look at all the fun little bits with another video. Bye for now, friends.